By the end of this video, you're going to understand why the Gold card should be the only credit card in your wallet. Whether you're interested in getting this card, comparing it to others like the American Express Platinum, or have had the card in your wallet already and want to maximize your benefits, this video will be helpful. But I must warn you, skipping any part of this video is going to be the reason you don't see the value in the card and you end up canceling it. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button if you want to be smarter with your money. I upload a video 3 days a week to help you make more, save more, and raise your credit. For starters, membership rewards points with Amex are worth about the same as ultimate rewards points with Chase Bank, which is about 2 cents per dollar spent. But the big difference is American Express has 18 airline partners, with Chase Bank only having 11, earning 4x points at restaurants and US supermarkets, 3x points on flights booked directly with Amex, and 1 times points everywhere else. Benefits include $120 in Uber cash and $120 in dining credits annually. It's important to note these credits are in monthly statement credits, so you won't see them immediately, and if you don't use them, then you will lose them.
Yeah, boy.
Super easy to enroll for the Uber credit. Just link your American Express to your Uber account in the settings, and it will immediately recognize the benefit. In a similar way, for the dining credit, simply enroll in the American Express app and proceed to make a qualifying purchase at one of these restaurants. Not Michelin star options on the list, but you do have common restaurants: Cheesecake Factory, Gold's Belly, Wine.com, Milk Bar, and select Shake Shack location. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to Shake Shack. Make sure it's not the Shake Shack inside Citi Field, because locations inside ballparks, stadiums, airports, rest areas, and even racetracks are not qualified purchases. For the $120 in Uber cash, you are able to use this for Uber rides as well as Uber Eats, or in some cities like mine in Tampa, you could even rent scooters. Before talking about the rest of the benefits, it's important to note that these benefits alone cover the $250 annual fee, especially when you consider these 2 secret perks. Perk 1 is a $100 credit when you book the hotel collection through the American Express portal. Minimum of 2 nights stay, but the credit is well worth it. Depending on the hotel, the credit could be used for things like spa, room service, or even nearby restaurants. Personally, I recently stayed at Nobu in Miami and was able to use the credit for the spa as well as the cafe in the hotel. I even bought my friends a set of drinks. Regardless, it paid for my coffee and breakfast every day. But let's say you don't like Miami and you want to go to Vegas for the Super Bowl instead. Simply search the city, and I almost forgot. By using the hotel collection from American Express with a 2-night stay, you automatically qualify for an upgrade to a better room. So it's a win-win. Perk 2 is getting rental car insurance just for using your card. This can provide coverage for damage, theft of a rental vehicle in a covered territory, just for using your card to reserve and pay at the rental counter. Simply deny the rental insurance, the collision damage waiver that Enterprise, National, or Hertz is going to offer you at the counter. It's important to note this coverage is secondary to your actual insurance company. Let's say you have Progressive and you get into an accident with the rental vehicle. Progressive would pay their portion, and then American Express would pay any excess, secondary to Progressive. Still, better than your insurance company taking the full hit. But we can't stop there. The next few benefits are going to be the difference of someone getting the full value of the card and someone seeing only part of what they offer. If you buy the new iPhone and while you're leaving the Apple store, you drop it and crack the screen, this benefit is your saving grace. Extended warranty and purchase protection, which basically go hand in hand. Simply use your card and make a covered purchase, and you get an extra year added onto the original manufacturer warranty, but keep in mind it only applies to warranties of 5 years or less. It can even cover your items if they're lost or stolen. It's important to note there is no enrollment required, and simply buy them using your Gold card. But if you choose to Venmo your spouse for the repairs instead, simply use this next feature. American Express Send and Split allows you to send money using your credit card through Venmo for no additional fee. Usually there's a 3% fee, but with this there's no fee as long as you use your enrolled American Express card. By now, the $250 fee seems irrelevant because all the benefits that we went over. On top of all these benefits, American Express also comes with this cool little feature that stacks on top of your normal benefits and your normal rewards. simply go to the benefits section on your account and you want to find Amex offers. What this is, it's going to offer you money back and big discounts off of certain stores, certain purchases that you make. There's one small catch. You have to make sure you're enrolling to these, because if you don't, you're not going to get credit for them. It's as simple as searching for the ones that you want. You could do this from your app, you could log in, and there's even a search function to see where you're shopping at. Anytime I go somewhere, I just simply search the item or search the store beforehand and see if there's something we could add to the card. If you can, you simply enroll. You get 10, 20, even 30% back at some stores. I know there was a big Ray-Ban one for a while. Here, let's log in and see if I have any. Alright, so I'm logged in here. I even got a notification they have it looks like a new business center, which I think is pretty awesome. I'll have to make a video on that. But let's say I'm going shopping and I want to find something in store. I'm not going online. We have Canada Goose. Get 10,000 membership rewards if we spend $500, which is pretty easy to do because those jackets are super expensive. 3% back at UGG. 150 back if we spend $750 at Hilton. Spend 50 or more if you have some kids, you need to go get some athletic wear. You get $10 back pretty simply. As you could see, there are many options to choose from. And the crazy part is, depending on what card you're using, let's say if you're using the American Express Gold card here, and you use one of the discounts for, let's say, a grocery store or a food purchase, it's also going to combine with that 4x on points, so you're going to earn thousands of membership rewards points. But most people are still comparing this to the Platinum card, which is a big mistake for two reasons. The Gold card is more for every day, and the Platinum card is a travel card. So instead of comparing the two, it makes for a nice partner in crime, especially when you factor in these two benefits. Unlike the Gold card, the Platinum card gives elevated status with Hilton, Marriott, and National. Think of status like being fast-tracked to looking like Alex Hormozy, even though you've only worked out for 1 week. By earning status, you qualify for discounts, room upgrades, and much more. In the case of National, you get free rental upgrades, which I take advantage of, and so should you. Second is airport lounge access, where you could eat, drink, work out, and even shower for free while waiting to depart on your flight. But if travel benefits just aren't your thing, then the Gold card is realistically the only card you need in 2024. But if you want other options, make sure to check out this video of the best cards of the year. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.
Peace.